So I've created the Van Dyke stitch, the standard Van Dyke stitch, with short legs, wider legs, and then into a shape. In this case, it's a leaf. Now let's create it circular. I'm actually going to just do an arc, so I'll just kind of pencil the arc here. And so that's going to be the formation for my stitch. Now, the center line, I'll quickly put in. And now I know that the outer legs on a curved Van Dyke stitch are longer. So then I'll just complete my third line here, and we'll see how it creates. To finish the circle and make it fully a circle, you just continue it, but I'm just going to show you half today. So again, you start on the outermost line, you come up to the opposite side of the middle line, anchor it in place, come up on the other side of that middle line, and then come out parallel. So from here, I'm going to start my stitches. I come up over here on that outer arc, and I'm going to weave my needle through both of the stitches that I made. And I'm going to put my stitch down. And you can see the Van Dyke stitch starting to form. So I come up with the next stitch, weave through the cross stitches, and then come back down. Now as the arc proceeds, my stitches on the outside and my stitches on the inside are not going to be parallel. They're going to be all in a line aimed at the center of the arc. So I always have to come around, weave through the stitches, and then stitch down. And that's a curved Van Dyke stitch.